Yo, 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 what is good, everybody? Welcome back, friends and family. We all here. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like, subscribe button. It'll help me out. Please share the videos if you're returning. Just help a brother out. But yeah, I'm having a good day. Hopefully, everybody else is having a good day. So, welcome back to Truck Talk number 10. We in there. We doing our thing, doing big things. Hopefully, everybody having a good week, good day, month, all that good stuff. Let's hop right into the topic today. Today we're going to be talking about spring. Ooh, yeah. I ain't got no sound effects. Sorry about that. But yeah, anyways, it's springtime. We here. New season, new energy. So yeah, it's going to, boom. Forgot what I wanted to say. But yeah, everybody knows what spring means, new energy, animals, bugs, new life, all that good stuff. But it's that time everybody likes to, take inventory of their life, I guess, their household, the physical, material world. I just want to let everybody know, do not forget, take inventory of your brain. Take inventory of your heart, your mind, and soul, and spirit, because that's very important. People are holding on to things, got a lot of clutter in the mind, got a lot of clutter in your heart and your soul. Maybe got some burdens on there, you never know. It's that springtime, so just don't forget. You're cleaning out your house, your fridge, your toys, your rooms. Clean out your mind space. Clean out your soul space. That stuff needs to get recycled and reused and repurposed or whatever. Just don't forget. Thanks. Have a wonderful day.